Hello, Jane Gleland here. Question is asked, I'm 20,000 words into my political thriller. Is it time for me to begin looking for an agent? No, you can't look for an agent until your book is finished. This is for fiction. With nonfiction, you sell those through a proposal, and that's a whole different animal. But let me answer first for a novel, fiction. You need to finish the whole thing. Because once you query an agent, let's say they ask for 10 pages, and then they say, "Ooh, I want to see the whole manuscript." That means that you have to be able to have that manuscript to send them, because they only make money if you make money, and you can't be wasting their time with a partial project. So now let us think about nonfiction. A proposal is a very specific format, and you should study it before submitting yours. You need to be able to delineate the chapters in the book you plan on writing, why there's a need for it, why you're the one to write it, how the competition is different than yours. Competition is a good thing because that says there's a market for the book, but you need to differentiate your book from what's already out there. So that's a proposal, nonfiction, and that sells that way. So an agent will look at a proposal for nonfiction, but for fiction, you've got to write the whole book. 20,000 words into a political thriller, congratulations. I know you can finish it up.